Hello, this is Phil York from Phil York Knives. I'm just making a short video to show anybody who receives my knives how to use the Kydex sheath if they come with a Kydex sheath. So there's a couple of small hunting knives I've made. This is the Kydex sheath. It's a thermoform plastic that I make. I just molded, I heat it up to 150 degrees centigrade, Celsius. I mold it around the knife, put it in a press, clamp it up, and you see it forms to the shape of the knife. And because it's got this piece here that is smaller than the bottom of the handle here, that keeps it, retains it in its sheath, keeps it in its place so it can't fall out. In order to get the knife out to use it, you simply hold the knife handle as if you were going to use the knife. Take your thumb, apply a little bit of pressure at the top here, and it will just pop out the back of the sheath. And when you want to put it back, you just slide it in, and then you apply a little pressure and it will pop back in. So you can see what's happening here. As you push it back in, you see the sheath open up and then click in place again. So that's basically a Kydex sheath. One thing, the downfall of Kydex sheaths is if you put your knife in dirty with any sort of abrasive material on it, which is pretty much anything, the material will be stuck inside the sheath, and every time you draw your knife out and put it back, you're going to get longitudinal scratches on your knife blade. So just when you're using this, be very careful to keep your knife clean before you put it back in the sheath. Okay, that's all from me. I'll talk to you later.